running daily sketching challenge where our students will draw whatever reference we are giving to them through online. They will draw and they'll post. At the end of the day, I will be reviewing all the works. I will be giving the correction. What are the areas they're getting improved and what are the areas that need to improve little more. Our concept is improve 1% in every single works. That's more than enough. You don't need to put a lot of pressure on yourself. And same time, the reason why we are running the daily sketching challenge is it's something like once you learn how to do cycling, correct? After that, you never forget on that particular practice, correct? Same things. Once you learn how to write, or is how to talk, after that you don't forget on that particular language until you give a long gap. Even if you give long gap, after that easily you can able to recall those skills. Same things, even the sketching. Once the students learn how to sketch more beautifully, more perfectly and more right way, after that the sketching qualities never come down. After that they only will do good quality sketching in all our throughout their life until they will give break, correct? So that's what it's very important to attend live class and same time to get feedback. Those are all the things is one side. The other side is they need to consistently practice couple of month or couple of maybe not years, month. Once they do those things, definitely the work will get improved. Understood? Once their work get improved, after that they can able to sketch whatever they want, however they want. They don't need to do everyday practice. Once they reached from the beginner level into the advanced, the pro level, after that they don't need to spend so much times on these basic areas. They can able to create a lot of stuffs. That's what we help, we encourage, we support students to start taking their daily sketchings. Not only that, this is the skill side. It's about acquiring the skill set, correct? Parallelly, they're learning the competitive skills, because this is the one of the very important skills where child is really required, because a lot of child, the creative people, was more silent, good kind of, correct, more innocent, correct, those kind of things, but they never experience, they never understand the competitive skill is really is important when then they'll move into the career, otherwise when they'll move forward, when they'll grow in this society, correct? When they'll take this kind of small challenge, the challenging and overcoming on the challenging areas, finding solutions and moving forward will become a very natural for them. So that is nothing but competitive skills. And same time, they will understand that if they want to move forward, if they want to succeed something, they need to move from their particular stage into the next stage. So those kind of experience they will get it in these sketching skills. They will experience in the beginner level only. So this goes into their subconscious mind, because they're really doing, in the real life, they're bringing the change into their works. It's not about motivation speak or anything else, correct? So taking the small challenging works in their favorite areas definitely will boost their competitive skills and the self-confidence. That also will give a lot of self-joy for achievements and doing better, those kind of all the feelings and everything. That is nothing but the growth areas, the growth feelings. If your child is interested on learning sketchings, then definitely you can put them in my 1 hour free demo section. I am conducting character sketching mastery course 1 hour free demo class. In this demo class, I will be explaining freehand sketching foundation. That is nothing but foundation skill for the art. The second one is shape to form sketching method. So there is the method. Once the student learns the method, they can able to draw anything, whatever they likes. The third one is character sketching process. When you draw characters, so you need to learn and you need to implement and apply the characters anatomy, proportions, measurements and all the things. For that you need to move with the process. So you'll be learning these 3 things. Okay, so without waiting, just click the link below and join the free demo class. I'll see you on the live.